Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my bedroom again, showing you my Craftsman 3/4 horsepower belt drive garage door opener. Like I said in the other video, like the same opener like I said while I was showing you my other Craftsman garage door openers in my bedroom. It's a 139.57915, manufactured of August 10th of 2018. This opener does work pretty good, and I will definitely operate this garage door opener. I will do the outside viewing, but I'll only use the keypad when I'm just while I'm opening the garage door from the outside. I'll use the one of the remotes to close the garage door from the outside. The outside is getting kind of dark, but you may not see it well enough, but I do have the remote inside of my pocket. It's not the original remote. I know the Craftsman logo looks a little bit different. It is 953 ESTD, manufactured of April of 2024. By the way, that remote was actually originally came with from my newer DC belt drive that I got for Christmas in 2024. But I decided to have this remote. I made a decision to have this remote be programmed to this opener way up there. So the garage door opener is still working fine, as well that smart wall button way over there. It does have a lock button. Actually, where's the lock? I remember locking the, I think I remember if it's, I think I remember the last time when I was here, months ago. The lock button does work, like I said in the other videos. Like I said, the opener lights blink twice to let you know that you locked your garage door opener remotes. In case if you are going out somewhere nowhere near your home, just like if you are going on a very long road trip, or if you are going to the other side of the same country, or if you are going out to a different country that's nowhere near your home, or if you are or if you're going on a cruise ship or something. I'm not sure if I Okay, is the lock off? I'm not really sure if it is. The light button does work. This smart wall button does work. I'll operate the garage door opener with the wall button in a little bit. But I'm going to use the remote to open the garage door, and then I'll use the keypad way out there after I after I open the garage door. But I'm not sure if the lock is turned off or anything. Okay, here we go. Still locked. Okay. I unlocked the remote, so now let's go ahead and open up, and here we go. Yes, the garage door opener is still working. By the way, this is, not the original keypad. It's the one that was, manufactured of, September 2016. Let's go ahead and close the... Actually, I'm going to use the keypad when I'm doing the outside viewing. And you don't need to put the code in when you're doing the closing. I'm not quite sure if you can see our garage from the outside, but it is getting quite dark out here. Okay, so, I do know what the code is. I actually programmed this keypad to our garage door opener earlier, actually, a couple minutes ago today. And I do know what the code is, but I'm still not showing you the code. There we go. So, well, like I said, it's still not the original keypad, but unfortunately the I took this keypad off the wall, and I put it right there. Unfortunately, guys, this keypad that was manufactured of August of 2018. Unfortunately, guys, that keypad is unexpectedly dying. The keypad, it was barely dying because the keypad was acting a little bit weird. So that's why I took the original one off of there and I switched the other keypad that I used to have in my bedroom. Yeah. Well, anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and close the garage door with this remote. And here we go. By the way, I do have this keychain remote still working on this garage door opener. I will definitely operate this garage door opener with the keypad, and here we go. Okay, now we'll do the closing with this remote. And here we go. Yep, the opener is still working. Okay, now we'll use this smart wall button over there, and here we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the safety sensor check. The opener lights blink 10 times to let you know that something is wrong with your safety sensors. Like I said in the other video while I was in my room recording the garage door openers in my bedroom. Well, like I said, it's to let you know that a child is blocking your safety sensors, or if they're out of the alignment, or if they're not aligned properly, or if they're if the safety sensors are not working properly, or if they have failed, or if they have died or something. Okay, now we'll do the closing with this wall button, and here we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time, and here we go, with using the wall button again. Yeah, this light, this button like keeps like flickering off and then back on for a second. We'll do one final close with the timer down below to see how many minutes if you want your garage door opener to close. Okay, now let's stand way over there. I'm going to stand way over there. I'm going to stand way over there. We'll wait for the garage door opener to close. That's my cat, Mira. I saw her. She's kind of a scaredy cat. Mira. That was my cat. That was my cat, Mira. I know the blinking opener lights and the beeping sound can be quite scary for some little children. By the way, I know the emergency release handle is upside down, but you don't need to tell me that the emergency release handle is upside down. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off the timer. There. Okay. Yeah, I know the blinking opener lights and the beeping sound can be quite frightening for some little children. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of this Craftsman garage door opener, my 3/4 horsepower belt drive that is still in my garage. By the way, I was thinking about having this door be replaced this year, but I'm not quite sure if it's possible for me to do that. I was planning to do that when I have a job one day, because I'm really tired of this old garage door. But I was thinking about getting like the new garage door replaced without replacing this whole unit. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.